What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna be fishing at a lake that could probably hold my personal best bass. Yesterday I tried filming a video and all my footage got corrupted and sent to the wrong folder, and because of that it got corrupted, and we're gonna start over. Got some rods here with me, and hopefully today we can catch some big fish. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off the morning throwing a spinner bait, running all these weed patches, and then I got me a Texas rig tied on where I can really just get in there deep where the spinner bait obviously can't go. Because right back in here is where a bunch of fish could be spawning, late spawners. This is a perfect spot. I mean, clear water, shallow water, cover. It's absolutely nuts. There he is. Here's one. Woo! Cool. On the spinnerbait. They're probably all stacked up in here. Sweet. Getting bites. I just want to feel that giant thump from a bass. There's giants in here for sure. I know that for a fact. I've caught some giants in here. My dad's been out here, caught giants. Cam Hook, which you guys will see in future videos, he's been out here and he's caught giants almost every other time he's been out here. I mean, this is an awesome lake, and I best believe in the future I'm gonna be out here a lot more, and I'm gonna be making videos out here. I will not be bringing the new boat out here. That's a little overkill. But doesn't sound like a bad idea. Cool. Alright guys, so fished a little bit, did some damage this morning, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go back and eat. But in a little bit we'll be back out here, so let's get to it, guys. I'm excited.